we're introducing iPhone 4. We have an all-new design. It's the thinnest smartphone ever. It uses stainless steel for strength. It uses glass on the front and the back for optical quality and scratch resistance. It's got integrated antennas and extraordinary build quality. Again, I don't think there's another consumer product like this.
Yes, I agree that iPhone 4 is a great product, but I want to argue 2 points around iPhone 4 from the perspective of ethics. First, I want to argue about its material. Is it too luxury for Apple to use glass and steel to make a mobile phone? Second, how did iPhone 4 change our mind? Is it moral for designers to use design to change someone's mind? These 2 points are deeply relevant if we consider that design is a way to translate material into something immaterial. In this video, we took some interviews with people from different areas. This interview may give us some ideas.
Yes, I think the glass and steel for the product of making iPhone is very expensive, and I think yes, it's too luxury, and the iPhone should be accessible and affordable for everyone to use it. So I think the product of plastic and some other materials is cheaper than glasses. This is my opinion. Actually, I use the two kind of phone. For example, in my desk here, I have two kind of phone, and I found a big different materials and high quality in the iPhone, in the material of iPhone, and in the function of iPhone. I use it for my life, my study in Australia, and I can access to my file in my uni, send an email to my supervisors, contact with my friends via social network media, access to my account in my bank account, and make a relationship via many kind of social network. For other side, with the Nokia, the material of Nokia, it's as you see, it's cheap materials, and I use it for just call my family overseas, and I don't find any other function than calling my family.
So you think you set up your social network
Yeah.
through the material of iPhone.
Yeah. The
So
material.
the material will give you such confidence.
Yeah, of course, and it's very smart phone. I think yes, iPhone will change our mind and our life and our lifestyle, because this phone has a many kind of making relationship with others, saving time, access to many websites that we need in our life, and I think iPhone is changing the world, not just the mind,
Changing the world.
the world.
It's changing the world.
Yes.
Yes, I think it changed people's life more efficient and convenient because they don't have to turn on the computer, but they can go to internet banking immediately because iPhone is always on. Don't have to boot and wait for booting, and also they can conveniently find the bus timetable and so on. Yeah, so it become much more efficient than using just book or computer. Yeah.
Do you think iPhone improve people's life?
Yes, what I mean is that I agree to it. I think obviously it is. If the internet service provider or that any application try to invade privacy, they could, and so it will be at risk, obviously, and even they can know exactly where the person is currently at because there is GPS and things like that. So it could be misused. I'm sure it is a problem that the privacy is invaded and potentially misused. Obviously, it is an issue.
Not exactly, not really. I can tell because you can use it as a device, use it as a tool. For example, you can do it for all kind of things. For example, business, marketing, even as you say, meet friend. Okay, but as just then we have talked before, this kind of device is only for convenience, for us to easy to connect with someone through the internet, or we use it as a tool to promote our service or product. Change character, I think, is impossible because we are human. We won't change the character because of the phone, because phone is actually produced by human, and I can only say it will change our lifestyle, improve our lifestyle, change the way we live our life, but it won't change our character. You can't say it will become a channel to do some other thing unless that person had that purpose, had that mind to use it for another purpose. Then it's actually not the phone drive you, but the person use it, not another way around. Yeah.
So you think it's still depends on the user.
That's
and
right.
It's the user that choose the way use iPhone.
Yeah.
Let's back to the question at the beginning. Are glass and steel too luxury? For many designers, the answer is yes. Because the cheap material like plastic can realize the same function for mobile phone as well. So why Apple did not use plastic to design iPhone 4 as other companies did? I think it's because Apple want to user redefine a mobile phone through its material. When holding iPhone in hand, the feeling of touch of glass and steel changed the imagination of mobile phones, which implies user that iPhone 4 can do more. Although people are impressed by iPhone 4's function, the thing that make user to think about the concept of a mobile phone actually based on the material of iPhone 4 that can attract and capture the materialize the imagination of public. For the second point, that how iPhone 4 changed people's mind, the answer may be seen through how people use iPhone 4. iPhone 4 encouraged users to explore more possibility function. That behavior, like how baby develops their intelligence through playing toys. iPhone 4 is designed to be an open-end solution for providing people an experience of handleable device, and that caused a variety of results of using iPhone 4. Some of them are good, but others are bad, which is not expected by iPhone 4's designers. So, actually what drives changes is not iPhone 4, but the user themselves. In conclusion, iPhone 4's material, that is glass and steel, are expensive and unnecessary for making mobile phones, but iPhone 4 is not aimed to be put out as a phone. It seems that iPhone 4 has tried to satisfy people's nature, the curiosity of materials. And this curiosity doubled the desire of user to spend more time on revival iPhone 4 from its appearance. Driven by the user, the process of using actually updated knowledge of things, which means change people's mind. So iPhone 4 is not against the human society. Instead, I see the concern of people's cognition, behavior, and creation in design. So my conclusion is iPhone 4 is a great product and great design.
I think the iPhone deserves more than 2 words, but I can say that it's indispensable.
Very reliable. New life.
My best friend.
My second girlfriend.
New word.